Oh, let me put my makeup on. There you go. That's the makeup. MAC lip gloss, whatever. All right, it's watermelon time. Just got back from outside. It was raining. Let's go get the watermelon now. Yeah, this watermelon is right. Let me turn the light on. Okay, y'all, it's time to get this watermelon. All right, so I gotta get a nice big knife. Rinse it off. Put it on the plate first. Okay, take your watermelon. Set it like that. Okay, then I go like this. I pick a piece, and then I'm always really greedy at first, so I gotta eat these like right now, like right now. We gotta do that first. Then I put it in the bowl. Okay, so you put it in the bowl like that. All right, that's how you do it. Okay, so I'm gonna keep doing that. And then these pieces, you see these pieces? That's what's gonna go in my cup. Let me get my glass. I gotta get an empty glass for you. Let's see. Voila. No, that's too small. Ooh, where my big glasses at? Oh, hold on, child. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna put this into here. Let me show you. Let's see. There we go. So I cut it and I get down to the white. The white, they say, is really good for men, but it's also good for women too. But it's really good for men. If you know, you know. Okay? If you know, you know. If you know, you know. But yeah, I'm trying to get this thing up. So here is the piece that I put inside the glass. And this is the piece I throw away. So, boom. Do the next piece. Voila. Then you take this part, the part that some people don't eat, and you get down to the white part. Because that's where all the vitamins is, okay? That part we be trying to get rid of. We won't eat that. You won't eat that. If you can't eat it, put it in a cup and blend it up. Okay? Okay. So y'all know I had to speed this up for y'all, but look at that watermelon. Make sure you get all the way down to the white part, y'all. That's where all the vitamins is at. Don't miss out on your vitamins in your watermelon juice. Please don't miss out on all this goodness. Now you gotta squish it down in there, and then I put it in the freezer. I let it get frozen, and then I take it out. I let it defrost a little bit, and then I put it into my blender. Okay, that's what I do, and it's so nice. I'm gonna put this in the freezer now. Now I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna eat all this watermelon, okay? And the seeds. Gonna throw this away. Now I'm gonna take this to my office and get my day started. Okay? That's a little messy, but yeah, look at my mama. Look at my pretty baby. And we gotta open up the window. Gonna open the window up. Toodles, working from home.